Question number 65, page 39. Okay. The question is, in the balanced chemical reaction, IO3 minus plus A, I minus plus B, H plus gives you C, water, and D, I2. Okay. A, B, C, and D are respectively corresponds to option 1, 5, 6, 3, 3, option 2, 5, 3, 6, 3, option 3, 3, 5, 3, 6, and option 4, 5, 6, 5, 5. Please solve this question. This question wants to know that are we comfortable in balancing a redox reaction? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Come on, balance it.
Sir, can you just repeat the reaction? I can't understand.
IO3 minus
Yes, sir.
plus A. A is the stoichiometric coefficient. Here some number will be there.
Okay, sir.
That numbers are given over here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to balance and find out the number.
Okay, sir.
Means the reaction is IO3 minus plus I minus plus H plus gives you water plus I2. This is the reaction,
Okay, sir.
and you have to balance.
Okay, sir.
IO3 minus. Okay.
Sir, can you just scroll once?
Changing into I2. Be little bit faster.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just once. Done, sir.
And I minus is also changing into I2. It is a comproportionate reaction. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, balance it. Here two i's are there, no? So
Yes, sir.
write down 2 over here. Then
And
balance
2 in iodine.
then balance oxygen. 3 2 ja 6. 6 H2O, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 12 H plus. 12 H plus. Find out the charge. Here 2 minus are there.
Yes,
Total
sir.
2 minus. 12 plus are there. So So
Yes, sir.
the net result is 10 plus.
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes, sir.
no charge is there. So write down 10 electron here. 10 electron. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have used electron so that now charge is neutralized.
Yes, sir.
I minus again use 2 over here. It is balanced. So use 2 electron over here. Now charge are balanced.
Yes, sir.
Now this is 10 electron and this is 2 electron. So multiply whole equation by 5. Right. So you will
Yes,
get
sir.
10 I minus gives you 5 I2 and you will get 10 electron. Now you add both the reaction. Okay, add both the reaction. 10 electrons and 10 electrons are cancelled. Okay, because one is in right hand side, another is in left hand side.
Yes, sir.
So you will write 2 O3 minus plus 12 H plus 10 I minus. Okay, gives you here is 1 I2 and here is 5 I2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it is 6 I2 plus here 6 H2O. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so one item, two item, only 2 items are there, so we have added. Now you can divide by 2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
2 2 2 2, you will get 1 IO3 minus plus 6 H plus 5 I minus will give you 3 I2 plus 3 H2O, and we have to take care that it is there or not, there or not. So here just see, for water we are getting 3. For water we are getting 3 children. For
Yes, sir.
water we are getting 3. For
Yes, sir.
iodine we are getting 3.
Yes, sir.
For iodine we are getting 3. One is clear.
Yes.
So okay, CD, where is CD double 3 CD 3
Sir, number one option.
in number 1 3 is getting. Now let us check for H plus also. H plus we are getting 6. So this is 6 children.
Yes,
Okay, and
sir.
for I minus we are getting 5. So this is 5. So 5 6 3 3. 5 6 3 3 is the correct answer, children. Okay,
First option, sir.
65. Yes, first option. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
type
sir.
of balancing is known as
Ion electron method.
ion electron method. Okay,
Okay, sir.
one student told something. What, beta?
Sir, we can use a hit and trial method also.
You can use hit and trial method also, but it will take more time. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is the correct method. Otherwise you can use this numbers, okay, and see where it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Options are, we know that any one option is correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
start putting and see all are balanced or not.
That is the easy
That
way.
will take more and more time.
more time One person told something, another person
One girl told something.
Anyhow, so I am going to the next question. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Okay.
Sir, if we do by oxidation number method, then
Same answer we will get.
left hand side iodine by 2.
Same answer we will get.
Sir, no, asking that if we multiply the left hand side iodine by 2, then we will take the net charge to see the difference, or only charge on one iodine.
Net charge. Oxidation number means net charge. Means
Okay.
the charge present on the particle, not on the topmost.
Okay. Sir.
You understand?
Then I can't
Yes.
understand this question.
Okay, I'll give you another question. These questions are based on balancing of redox reaction, children. Okay. Listen
Okay, sir.
carefully. This reaction is based on balancing process. So this is the reaction, children. See, I have given you. This is the reaction. And when you balance it, no, you will get some number over here. Right?
Yes, sir.
That number is given in the options. And they have asked which option is the correct option. So first we have balanced the reaction. See, we have balanced. Okay, and after balancing, we find out what are the numbers, and accordingly we have used in the option. Don't worry, I am giving you another option. Pay attention from the beginning. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. See, next question is question number 64. It is told that consider the following reaction. Consider the following reaction. Okay, beta, just pay attention from the beginning. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Wherever the step you don't know, na, please let me know. Then and there I will solve the problem.
Yes, sir.
Consider the following
sir.
reaction, and the reaction is 5H2O2 plus XClO2 plus 2OH minus gives you XCl minus plus YO2 plus 6H2O. See, my dear children, this is the reaction they gave.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't get panic. See the reaction and try to learn and try to utilize the technique which you have.
Yes,
So,
Yes, sir.
the reaction is balanced if the reaction is balanced if, and 4 options again they have given. First option is x equal to 5 and y equal to 2. Then x equal to 4 and y equal to 10. Then x equal to 2, y equal to 5. Then x equal to 5, y equal to 5. Right.
this is also
So,
easy, sir.
it is the same, in same manner you have to solve it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Balance it. Okay, so divide the equation in two part. Divide the equation in two part. Okay. Right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My dear child, who has asked the
Yes,
problem? One more person is
Sir,
there.
me.
Yeah.
Sir, me, Iravan Datto.
Okay, so divide the equation in two part. Do you know how to divide?
No, sir.
No, that is first problem. Okay. So you have
Yes,
to
sir.
see the oxidation number of each element. Okay. ClO2. It is
Okay, sir.
ClO2. It is plus for children. Okay. Then here it is
Yes,
minus.
sir.
Here it is 0. Right. So see, it is changing. Oxidation number is changing from +4 to -1 and -1 to 0. Okay. So these 4 participants are important. So you can divide this equation in 2 parts. See how I am dividing. H2O2 will give you O2. Okay, I have related this one with this one. This O2 came from where? H2O2.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
And
sir.
again another reaction is ClO2 gives you Cl minus. This is another part. Now you try to solve it. Okay, so H2O2 gives you O2, right? So
Yes,
don't
sir.
you see that O2 is balanced over here?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to balance hydrogen. So
Yes, sir.
see carefully, the reaction is in basic medium. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so for basic medium, to balance hydrogen, what you have to use? You have to use, see, 2 hydrogen is balanced. You want to balance, no? So you use 2 OH minus over here. 2 OH minus, right? And 2 OH minus and 2 H were there. So you can use now 2 water molecule. This is balanced, children. See,
Yes, sir.
automatically balance. This is the way how to balance the basic medium. And now tell me, how many electrons are there? How many electron we have to use to balance the
Two.
charge?
2
Left hand
electrons.
side 2 minus are there, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so we will use 2 electrons. We'll use 2 electron to balance the charge. Now here you see ClO2 gives you Cl minus. How many
Yes, sir.
Cls are there? 1. Okay. Water,
1.
2 oxygens are there. So use 2 water molecule. Now what happened? 4 H are there, no? So use 4 OH minus. Okay. And you can use 4 H2O. 4 H2O. Now you can see all hydrogens and everything balanced. In basic medium, what you have to do, wherever hydrogen is there, put same number of OH minus there and use water at the left hand side or opposite side. Now Cl minus is there, no?
Yes.
Okay, how many negative charges there total?
1.
1.
No, see
5.
here,
5, sir. 5.
5 minus charges are there, okay?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
use,
sir.
yeah, use
Sir,
5
why you
electrons.
have taken that 4 OH
Because it is
in the
basic
left hand
medium,
side?
no? It is basic medium.
In the right hand side, sir, this
Ah,
chlorine side.
I understand. See, again I am writing, huh? Just you check it. Follow each and every step. This Cl2 gives you Cl minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 oxygens are there, so I have used 2 water molecule. Now
Yes,
4
sir.
hydrogens are there,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so I can't use 4H plus directly like this
Yes, sir.
because it is
Yes,
not
sir.
acidic. Because it is not acidic medium.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what I have to use? How many hydrogens are there? 4. So
4.
for hydrogen also I will
Yes, sir.
use 4 water molecule.
Sir, why can't we add here OH minus?
Okay, if it your wish, you add 4 OH minus, right? Now
Yes, sir.
hydrogen is balanced, but again more oxygens are generated.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir. 6.
it will keep on moving like this only. That's why what I decided, you do 4 water molecule like this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so 4 hydrogen came, right?
Yes, sir.
What we got extra? OH. So write down this 4 OH minus extra over here.
Okay, sir.
So this is the technique you have to follow. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This way you have to. I have applied every
Yes,
method.
sir.
I have used H plus also. So question framer told no, it is acidic medium. So that option gone. Then I have used directly 4 OH minus. In that process, what was good thing? Hydrogen was balanced, but 4 extra oxygen came.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
it is the best way. And see, now to balance the charge, how many electron required? 4 minus here and 1 minus here. So I required 5 electron, right?
Yes, sir.
So here only 2 electron, here 5. So what we have to do, children?
Multiply by 5 and 2
Yeah, we
respectively.
have to multiply by 5 by 2, and this one should be multiplied by 2,
5.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now have patience. In such type of problem, you have to show patience. So start multiplying. So 2,
5,
Sir,
sir.
the both parts we will multiply by 2.
why
5,
both
sir, here.
parts? Here it will be
Sir,
5.
5.
Cross multiply.
Yes, sir.
Cross multiply.
Yes,
Then
sir.
only one common electron will come, no?
Electron will
Yes,
get
sir.
cancelled.
Did you understand? Cross multiply.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Here is 5 electron, here is 2 electron. So to make them 10, we will cross multiply, okay?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So here by mistake I written
Yes,
2.
sir.
By mistake I have written 2. It is 5 H2O2 plus 5 to the 10. 10 OH minus, okay, gives you 5
Yes, sir.
O2 plus 5 to the 10. 10 again H2O and 10 electron, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And here
sir.
we have to multiply by 2. So 2 ClO2 plus 8 H2O plus 10 electron. Okay, here it is arrow. Gives you 2 Cl minus, then 2
Plus
to
4H2O
4 H2O
plus
plus
8 OH minus.
8 OH minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
you
sir.
add. Now you add both the part. Adding, did you understand? Adding means, see, whatever in the left hand side, this thing is in left hand side, this is in left hand side, this is in left hand side, this is in left hand side, and this is in left hand side. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
5 items are in the
Sir.
left hand side. 5 items. So you write down 5 H2O2 plus 10 OH minus, then 2 ClO2, then 8 H2O, then 10 electron. And now what is in the right hand side, children? Right hand side, this, right hand side, okay?
Okay, sir.
So in right hand side we will write 5O2 plus 10 H2O plus, okay, 10 electron plus 2 Cl minus plus 4 H2O plus 8 OH minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now we have to cancel some unnecessary things, common things, okay? So first of all, you cancel 10 electron, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And here 10 water molecules and 4 water molecules. So 14 water molecules are there,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
and here
Yes, sir.
8 water molecules
sir.
are there. So you cut it. So just write how many water molecules are exactly here. Out of 14, remove 8 water molecule.
4 have water molecule.
6.
4, 2, sir.
Out of 14, remove 8.
6, sir. 6.
6, 6.
So
Six,
6
sir.
water molecules are in the right hand side, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Sir.
10 OH minus are here, and here 8 OH minus are here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
2
so
OH
you
minus,
cut
sir.
it
2 H
and
minus.
write 2 OH minus here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Anything is
Yes, sir.
common? Anything is common? No.
No, sir.
Now we will write 5 H2O2 plus 2 OH minus plus 2 ClO2 arrow 5 O2 6 water molecule and 2 Cl minus, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
now
Yes,
in
Yes,
the
sir.
question, ClO2, left hand side of ClO2, left hand side of
Yes, sir.
ClO2 is
5.
which value it is? It is X,
CLO
no?
2, sir.
This is X, no?
X equals to 2 and Y equals to 5.
Go to 5.
This
Third
is
option.
X, it is X and X, and this is YO2, Y. Where is Y? This is Y, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So X equal to 2 and Y equal to 5. S equal to 2 and Y equal to 5. X equal to 2 and Y equal to 5. Right?
Yes, sir.
So
yes,
this
sir.
is
Yes,
wrong.
sir.
This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is correct. Hope you got the answer.
Yes, sir.
In ion electron method, first divide the two half reaction, then balance, and then again join them. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And cross multiplication is based on number of electrons. Whatever the
Yes.
number of electron in the both of side. My dear child, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, focus on this balancing part.
Yes, sir.
Next question is, let me see the answer. 64. Yeah, 2 is the correct answer. Now write question number 63. Question number 63. In the chemical reaction, in the chemical reaction, and reaction is K2 Cr2 O7 plus X H2SO4 plus Y sulfur dioxide gives you K2SO4 plus Cr SO4 thrice and ZH2O. Where XY, please maintain silence. I will mute them. Are option 1, 1:3:1. Option 2, 4:1:4. Option 3, 3:2:3. And option 4, 2:1:2. Please, who is making noise? Please put me in the chat box.
Sir, I'm checking, sir.
Yeah, please check it. Khushi? Khushi is here. Khushi Tiwari. Okay. So try to balance this reaction, children.
Yes, sir.
So balancing, okay. See, you know very well. Write down the equation once again. K2 Cr2O7 plus X H2SO4 plus, okay, don't write this X and all, we will use your own. This is sulfur dioxide, gives you K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 whole thrice plus water. Now see the oxidation number on chromium, 2 chromium, okay, is 14 and 2, it is
Plus
out of
6.
14 2 total charge are there, both chromium, okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And here on both it is plus 6, both.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
And now there is H2SO4 will, as it is SO2, it is plus 4 children, okay. And what we can do, it is moving towards plus 6, okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So how many changes?
6.
And how many changes?
2.
2.
So we can multiply by 3 only. Cross multiplication means not required, because even I multiply by 3, we are getting 6.
Yes, sir.
So no need to multiply the other partner. So 3 is sufficient. So I will multiply this 3 and this 3. Right? Our problem is solved.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, yeah. So now I will delete this one because I got the number. I got the number. So now
Yes, sir.
3 sulfurs are here. 2 chromiums are there. Now now you please balance sulfate. Now you try to balance sulfate. So how many sulfates are there, children? This sulfate, this part of sulfate is balanced by this 3 sulfur. So here three sulfates are there, 3 sulfates, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sulfates. So you can use 3 sulfates. Okay, so you can use 3 over here. 3 over here. 3 over here, okay?
Yes.
Yes,
Sulfates
sir.
are balanced. Now balance the oxygen. Now balance the oxygen. And these numbers are fixed. Don't change this number. Don't change these numbers. Don't
Yes, sir.
change these numbers. Now tell me, how many oxygens are here? 7.
Yes,
4
sir.
3 ja
Yes, sir.
12. 3 2 ja 6. So
25.
25, sir.
25.
how much?
25.
25.
25. Now here 4 3 ja
12.
12. 4 3 ja
12.
12. Okay.
1,
So
25.
1, 25, sir.
25.
leave it that water. We will first 12, 12, 24. Okay, right?
24.
So 24, it means one water is sufficient, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But if one water is sufficient, just check out somewhere we are missing some.
Then H2 is misbalanced.
No, we have missed something. We have not balanced potassium.
Yes, sir. Potassium is not balanced. One side
Potassium,
6, one side 2.
potassium is not balanced. 3 2 just 6 children.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
3 2 just 6. Okay, some problem is here.
Sir, but
Another
we
side
should
2.
What happened? What happened, children? Some noise coming. Noise. Oh, please maintain silence, otherwise I will mute.
So now it is okay, I think.
Please see who is
Sir, he muted himself, sir.
okay, right. So here we are getting 6 potassiums. Okay. So to make it
Yes,
6,
sir.
to make it 6, okay, we have to use 3 over here, children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here is some problem. Here is some problem. Okay. So again, if we take this one, again we have to disturb all chromium and everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chromium is not balanced.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when such type of things happen, no, just you try to take their ionic form Cr2 O7 minus 2 plus H plus sulfur dioxide gives you gives you what gives you Cr plus 3. Okay, like this you have to balance. If we are not getting properly, some disturbance, sometime it, because we don't know this sulfate went to this side or this side, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
understand? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
For that type of problem we face the thing. Otherwise we can do one thing. Otherwise we can do one thing. Otherwise we can do one thing. Okay, we can do one thing. Because three sulfate are here, no? Right? Hello, children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
with how much number we have multiplied? 3, no?
Yes, sir.
It is plus 4, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And it is
Yes,
plus
sir.
6. So 2 numbers were there, so we multiply by 3. So you know already already it is 3. Okay, so if simply we can use like this, so our problem may be solved. We write 3 over here, right? And 3 sulfates are here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, here we have, because we don't know where that sulfate gone. Okay, so we'll try our best. So suppose these sulfates are here. Okay, then chromium is balanced. See, first of all, chromium is balanced, 2 chromium, and sulfur is also balanced, 3 sulfur and 3 sulfur, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this, so we'll make this number again fix. We'll try to fix this number 1 3. This is 1. Okay, and remainings are not fixed. Now got 2 K2 is also there. This number is also fixed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we do not disturb.
Yes, sir.
Please don't disturb these numbers. Please don't disturb these numbers. Now you try to balance first. Chromium
Okay,
is
sir.
balanced. Chromium is balanced. Then sulfur is balanced.
Yes, sir.
After that, you try to balance oxygen. You try to balance oxygen, or otherwise, again we will go for ionic method.
The ionic method is only the base.
Ionic method. From the next question, we will directly use the ionic. Now
Yes,
see
sir.
how many oxygens are here. Calculate how many oxygens are there.
7 plus 4, 11.
This is 7
Plus
and this is
4
4,
and 6.
6. How much it is?
17.
17. Here, let us see.
4,
4,
12,
12,
17, sir. 17.
17. Right.
Sir, 17. Sir, it is balanced.
So now it is almost balanced, right?
Yes,
So
Yes, sir.
automatically it is balanced. So what we did, first we tried with this. It means that this SO4 went to this side, okay?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
That type of problem will come to you, and by doing practice only we can solve that problem. Okay, so no need of
Yes,
ionic.
sir.
If we would have not got the answer, we would have gone directly to the ionic form. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
So
sir,
we
is
have
there
every
any
time options and
Option
options.
method?
Yeah, we would have gone for ionic method. Ionic means we would have removed the unnecessary cations over here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ionic
Yes,
method is
sir.
different and ion electron method is different.
Okay.
So now tell me what they have asked. X is on H2SO4, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So
option 1.
X
Option
equal
1.
to 1. Then they have asked Y. Y is for sulfur dioxide. So
Sir,
Y is
3.
3. And then they have asked Z. Z equal
1.
to what?
1.
1.
Sir, 1.
Any option is there?
Yes, the first option.
Sir, 1. Option 1.
First option is the correct option. Okay. Question number was.
Sir, can you show an example with ionic method?
Why not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, you got the answer. It is 63, no? 63. Yeah. First option is the correct option. So in the coming question, I will show the ion. Means we will just remove all neutral particle and convert them into ions. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So that we will move some another example also, and we can understand our concept also. Question number 62, right? Which reaction which reaction involve neither oxidation nor reduction? Which reaction involves neither oxidation nor reduction? First option is CrO4 minus will give you Cr2O7 minus 2. You have to check out the oxidation number, okay? Chromium
Okay,
will
sir.
give you CrCl3. Option 3, Na is changing into Na plus. Option 4, 2H2O3 minus 2 will give you S4O6 minus 2. Children, here you know what is the charge present on sulfur?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the charge present? Tell me.
Sir, that is H2O3.
H2O3 and total charge is minus 2.
Sir,
So 3 3 is 6.
sir, S2 consists plus 4, sir.
Sorry, 3 3 2 is 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to it is totally charge is minus 2. Here 3 2 is 6 minus 6. 2 sulfurs are there, right?
Yes, sir.
So 2 sulfur, this will go here. How much it will become?
Sir, plus 4.
Each sulfur
S
is in
is
plus
equals
2
to plus
form.
2.
Each sulfur is in plus 2 form, right?
Yes, sir.
Here check out.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
here also plus 2, sir.
No. 4 sulfur
Oh, no,
minus 12
no.
is equal to minus 2.
Yes,
4 sulfur is
12
equal to 10.
to 10.
S is equal to 2.5, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 by 2.
There is oxidation.
Not
There is oxidation. So it is not our answer. They told neither should be oxidation nor reduction. Here it is 0, it is plus 1. So oxidation is going on.
yes, sir.
Here it is 0, here it is plus 3. Oxidation is going on. Here Cr is plus. Here Cr is CrO4. It is minus 2. Okay, CrO4 minus 2. Tell me chromium oxidation is plus 6.
Yes, sir.
Here also on each chromium it is plus 6 only. Two chromiums are there. Minus 14 is
14
there.
minus
Is
12.
equal
Yes,
to minus 2 is there. So 2
sir.
chromium is
Same,
equal to
sir.
plus 12 is there. Each chromium is plus 6 is there. So no oxidation,
Yes, sir.
no reduction. Right? So this is
Sir,
our
first
Yes,
correct.
sir.
option, sir.
First option is the correct
First
option.
option. Chromate, trichromate.
Right. So in this way you have to solve the problems. Next question is, what is the time?
1.
Sir, 50.
Okay, no, 2 minutes are there. I'll solve one more question. Question number 61. The oxidation state of the most electronegative atom in each of the product is H2 plus O2 gives you H2O2 and H2O. You have to tell the oxidation state. Option 1 minus 2 minus 2. Option 2 minus 1 and minus 2, plus 1 and minus 2. Option 3 plus 2 and minus 1. And option 4 minus 1 minus 2. Calculate the oxidation number. So you know, in the product side they told no,
Yes, sir.
each product. So in here it is 1 minus and it is minus 2. You have calculated earlier also. You can calculate now also.
Yes, sir. Minus 2 and minus
2 hydrogen. Okay. 2 oxygen is equal to 0. So 2 oxygen is equal to, this will move this side,
2.
minus 2.
Yes, sir. Minus 2.
Oxygen is equal to minus
Minus
2 by
1.
minus 1. So it is minus 1. And here it is minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. Okay. 61, fourth option is correct.
Yes, sir.
So time is over.
Yes, sir.
We'll meet in study hour. Okay.
Sir, today no study hours, sir.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir. Due to exam.
okay, right. Then best of luck for your exam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I required full percentage in CDF along with your mains exam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. We'll prepare a good team. Those who are good student, no. Those who are good student will make a separate team for them. Right.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please be a good student. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Khushi, what you want to say? Khushi. Okay, book name. For book purpose, children, NCRT book, please purchase NCRT book and our material. Our material, you can directly go and have your material in your branch. Okay, your material is ready. Okay, go in the branch. Okay, and do all the formalities. You will get the package of the material. Right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So material, our material, Narana material and NCRT book is sufficient at the beginning. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, children. Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye bye.